In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use groups in Mailerlite. Groups are one of the simplest and most powerful ways to organize your audience so you can send the right emails to the right people. Instead of having one big messy list, groups let you separate subscribers based on their interests, behavior, or how they joined your list. Let's start by creating a group. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to the subscribers section in your dashboard. This is where all of your contacts are managed. Along the top, you'll see a tab labeled Groups. Go ahead and click that. On this page, you'll find any groups you've already created, and you'll also see an option to create a new one. Click the Create Group button. Now, give your group a clear, descriptive name so you'll instantly recognize who's inside it later. For example, you might use something like Newsletter Readers, Product X Users, or Webinar Signups. The more specific and meaningful the name, the easier it will be to keep your list organized as it grows. Once your group is created, the next step is to add subscribers to it. There are several ways to do this, depending on how you manage your contacts. The first way is manual addition. From your main subscribers list, select the people you want to add. Then look for the Actions menu, click it, and choose Add to Group. You'll be able to pick the group you just created. This method works well for smaller updates or when you want very fine control over who goes where. You can also add people to groups when importing contacts. While you're uploading a CSV file or importing from another source, Mailerlite will give you the option to select one or more groups. Just check the groups that make sense, and all those new subscribers will be organized automatically as soon as the import finishes. Another powerful option is using forms and landing pages. When you create or edit a form, go into its settings and attach it to a specific group. That way, everyone who signs up through that form is added directly to the right group. You can even enable interest groups so subscribers can choose which groups they want to join based on their preferences. Finally, you can manage groups through automations. Inside an automation workflow, add an action like Copy to Group or Move to Group. This lets you shift people between groups based on what they do, such as opening emails, clicking links, or completing a sequence, keeping your audience organized without any manual effort.